from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website barkandpaws.net. I really love the name of the brand. I love that it is very easy to guess what you're selling. The top bar overlaps the price tag. I'm not sure if you noticed. It feels like it should be either transparent in this part, or it should be part of the theme. Maybe it is the app that is not very integrated with the theme, so it kind of overlaps the theme instead of working within. Because if you went with the default your default Shopify theme top bar, it will be placed above the header, not over the header. So that's how you would avoid this kind of design overlap. So remember, perhaps either you can change it, or you can move this price tag slightly lower, so those two elements don't overlap. However, you've got top navigation, which is perfect, 30% off your first repeat order. This feels a little bit confusing whether it is first order or repeat order. Because if it's repeat order, you shouldn't really use first. It's just confusing. So don't confuse your buyers. Be straightforward with your offers and with your calls to action, because this is much better for your conversion rate. Where you've got information about the dispatch time, so that's perfect. 15% off. The welcome text, I would place the, actually, instead of welcome taking so much space above the fold, I would optimize the hero image. So you've got actually the product of the picture of your product above the fold, which is the area visible without scrolling down. On average, this is the area that converts the best. So instead of this kind of very generic text, if you had picture of your product, not even a dog, but picture of your product, let's say a dog wearing a collar or whatever you're selling, I haven't checked yet, so obviously the colors and so on, it would be much better for your conversion. It would be definitely better for your sales as well. Okay, scrolling down. Also, remember to optimize the tagline with call to action, such as shop now, linking to the relevant collection or a product, so people can click and shop, which will further improve your conversion rate as well. You've got featured products here. That's perfect. Okay. The titles are quite optimized, quite SEO friendly, so that's excellent. Okay. And you've got video. I'm not sure why you've got $1 if you are based in Great Britain and your price are in pounds, so that can be a little bit confusing. But I'll check the video anyway. Okay, this is a nice video. It's a little bit too long, but I understand that it's within the current climate. I'm not sure how it relates to your niche, because it's related about health workers in the USA. But I remember, I understand that you're working with the charity supporting the health workers in the USA. I mean, I don't want to be criticizing in this area, but I condone the obviously the contribution would be much better if it was within the country, because it's just If your clients are based in the UK, they're not likely to give to the charity based in the USA, if you know what I mean. They would be much more likely be inclined to support NHS workers based in the UK, especially if their closest relatives were affected. So think about perhaps maybe teaming up with the local charity that fights the disease, that obviously fights the coronavirus as it is. Okay, but you've got social media links in the footer, trust signals as well. Remember to open these social media links in your tab so you don't lose valuable traffic from your own website. It's important that you don't lose traffic. I've got another video showing you how to do it at once by placing a shortcode within your website, so make sure to check it out. The collection page looks great. You've got products displayed above the fold, which is perfect. Okay, so these are the collections. This is collections of collections. Okay, let's have a look at the collection page. Okay, so the products are displayed above the fold, which is important. The product titles are SEO friendly, so that's excellent. And let's have a look at the product page. Okay, the product titles are excellent. I would put at the cart above the fold. If it's pushed down out of view, it can definitely affect the conversion rate. So think about optimizing the page further. So there's less distractions in the header area, and add to cart is displayed above default, so as soon as people land on a page, it's definitely proven to improve sales. It's proven to boost traffic, to boost conversion rates. Remember to display it above default. But the product descriptions are unique, are detailed. There's plenty of additional images, additional information, so that's absolutely perfect. I love those kind of close-ups, images of the details of the design of the product. So that's really important. People are interested in those. Okay, that's perfect. About Us page is really nice. There's plenty of information that builds trust, that builds your authority, that builds rapport. Remember to optimize each page for SEO. So add hashtags, add image of yourself, image of your team. That's really important for building trust, for building rapport, and for the conversion rate. People go to About Us page to see who's behind the brand. So this kind of personal touch can also improve your conversion rate. And optimize the images with alt tags. So add hashtags, image alt tags, more paragraph breaks. You've got quite a few, which is nice. And now obviously internal links. Internal links also improve SEO. Remember to add a professional email address. Will be much better than using free Gmail. It's important for building trust, so remember to add it as well. Your SEO score is 55 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The Google snippet needs a little bit more optimization. The meta title and meta descriptions are too long, so meta title should be under 65 characters, meta description under 165 characters, otherwise they will be cut off. So remember to stay within the character limit. But you've got H1 tag, which is excellent. Remember to use the tags in the right order, so H1, H2, H3, and then H4, H5, and H6.
Dip, 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 dum, 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 dum. As I mentioned, remember to optimize images with SEO-friendly alt tags. They definitely help Google understand what each image represents, and they also make your website more user-friendly because some visitors have got this kind of image blocking software to make sure that the pages load faster, and they use image reading software as well. So without alt tags it's impossible for them to see what's in the images. So those kind of alt tags make your website more accessible, and accessibility is very, very important for Google. So they also help your Google ranking, help your SEO. So remember to optimize images as well. And your URLs aren't SEO friendly, so remember to optimize them as well. I've got another video telling how to optimize your URLs, how to make them more SEO friendly, so make sure to check it out.